just want to say that we are coming to America 2022 with Kumar Sanu and Alka Yagnik. Give a big hand.
Good evening, friends. Pleasure to be here.
You want to say something? Say. अरे say, बोल दे यार, क्या फर्क पड़ता है? And of course, I want to thank Showfest also and Karl Karla ji and Anand Gowda ji. All the best.
आपको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. आपको बहुत बहुत इसलिए कहूँगा कि हम तीनों फिर से एक साथ यूएस टूर करेंगे आपके ही कंपनी के साथ और आपके साथ.
And actually, thanks to the amazing repertoire of songs that we have, all three of us, which people love. So it's mostly thanks to all those songs that it's a lot of fun and a lot of excitement on stage. And this concert is going to be after pretty long. I think it was supposed to be last year. Yeah, it got postponed for obvious reasons. And we have not been doing concerts for a long time now because of what was going on. So we are really looking forward to this now.
और मैं ये कहना चाहूँगी कि you know how people say begin with a bang. Well, actually, Rewind is the first concert of Showfest, and you really are beginning with a bang because seeing these three icons on stage together will be magical. आप तीनों का बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you so much.
And we can't wait to see you on stage. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
जानम देख लो मिट गई दूरियां मैं यहाँ हूँ I'm everywhere. We are everywhere because you all love me. That's why.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया.
Thank you.
Kumar ji. Thank you, Udit ji. Absolute performers and ready to perform. दिलेर जी सत श्री अकाल की हाल है जी तोड़ा.
थैंक यू सोफिया जी. और बड़ा अच्छा लगा था. बड़ी देर बाद देखा. और आनंद जी, काल काला जी, ये बहुत बड़ा काम किया आपने ये. क्योंकि मैंने शुरू किए थे शो अमेरिका के 96 से, दलेर मेहंदी, शिल्पा शेट्टी नाइट. तब मैंने कोई 12 शो किए थे और सारे एरिना में. उसके बाद दलेर मेहंदी, रवीना टंडन, फिर दलेर मेहंदी, करिश्मा कपूर नाइट. तब हमने 29 शो किए. मुझे लगता है अभी तक किसी और आर्टिस्ट ने इकट्ठे इतने बड़े शो यूएस में नहीं किए होंगे. पर एक्सपीरियंस ये होता था, मैं तो अभी ऑडियंस की बाद में बात करूं, आर्टिस्ट के लिए जो होता था कि सारी बात हो जाती थी. प्रमोटर से पेमेंट की बात हो गई, शो की बात हो गई. अब सत श्री अकाल भाजी, ठीक हो? बैठो आराम नाल.
जी दिलेर जी आप कह रहे थे शो की.
बैठ जाए.
दिलेर जी. Thank you and please stay on stage क्योंकि अब वाकई एक धमाका आने वाला है because everybody knows I'm a huge fangirl of this person ever since I was, this big. He is just an icon in himself. जैसे इस शो का नाम रखा है आइकॉनिक, और आप देख रहे हैं जो जोड़ियाँ बनाई हैं इतनी यादगार हैं. दलेर जी की भी equations are so good. He's performed with all the girls. He's done songs for all these guys. But it's time to bring up the one and only. मैं जो भी कहूँगी ना कम पड़ेगा उनके लिए. So I'll just keep it simple. The one and only Govinda, ladies and gentlemen. this amazing extravaganza. So I'm going to request a few more special people to join us on stage. जैसे कि आपने देखा था, Addiction Tour is one of the really exciting tours. And we have with us my dear friend and the very gorgeous Pooja right here. Pooja, will you join us on stage, please, for the launch? So lovely to see you here. Pooja, you want to say something quickly about this amazing Showfest experience that you're going to be part of?
Mr. Kalraji, congratulations to you and to Showfest, because I think that it's absolutely going to be fantastic. North America mein sirf Bollywood or Bollywood rahega, and you are bringing us to them. I hope कि ये show बहुत यादगार रहे, क्योंकि ये it's my first tour, like a dance kind of tour, and firsts are always special, so I'm glad I'm doing it with you all. Okay, amazing. That's so sweet.
It's going to be the most
Thank you.
amazing, amazing tour. We're so happy you're part of it. And I think now I'm going to invite Kalji, aap bhi aaiye. Anand, you also join us. And Kumarji, Alka ji, aap yahi hain. Please join us on stage as we actually do the official launch of Showfest. Sunita ma'am, you are also here, dazzling. We'd love to see you up on stage. Sunita ma'am, please join us on stage to do the honors. Kalji, I feel like you need to be here. Okay, so we're all here, and as Showfest does everything in a very novel way, I'm just gonna do a countdown, and we are gonna look towards the screen because that is officially launched the Showfest website. So mere saath jo bhi yahan pe hain, if you can do a wonderful countdown with me as we do this. Anand, Kalraji, this is what you've been working for. Are you ready? Yes. Yeah. Are you all ready? Yes. Are you guys ready? Yes. Here we go. अब आप हैं यहाँ पे लास्ट, तो जाने से पहले एक हल्का सा छोटा सा धमाल जाते जाते तो होना चाहिए, एज वी से। नहीं होना चाहिए? धमाल होना चाहिए ना, कुछ तो होना चाहिए। ये आप में मैं ही रह जाऊंगी, या तो कोई ट्रैक बजाओ या कोई गाएगा, जल्दी से। अच्छा, यू नीड अ Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, for being here, for all your patience. And as you can see, it was worth it. Thank you. This is me, Sophie Chaudhary, signing off for the night. Get your tickets now on Showfest. Thank you.